Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to increase your Mac mouse speed. So first click on this little Apple icon from this corner, select System Settings, and now scroll down to Trackpad. First, I will show you how to increase the trackpad speed, and then I will show you how to do the same for an external mouse. In my case, it is a Bluetooth mouse. So to increase the trackpad mouse speed, select the trackpad from here, and here next to tracking speed, you can make it slow or fast. As you see, this is how the slow, and this is the fast. Now let's do the same thing for the external mouse. So here from the same trackpad page, you will see set up Bluetooth trackpad. Click on it. You will see the connected device, the device is connected by Bluetooth. Here, this is the mouse I am using right now. Click on this little icon next to it and select mouse settings. And here next to tracking speed, it is now set to fast. And if I move it back to slow, this is how it looks like. And to increase the external mouse speed, move the slider to the fast side, and this is how fast it is. And this is how to increase your MacBook mouse speed. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.